Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix the images not loading in the Costco application. So first of all, you need to just simply check your internet connection. You can also just swipe down your notification bar, then tap on the option of airplane mode once. Wait for 10 seconds and then tap on the option of airplane mode again in order to improve the internet speed. You can also switch between the Wi-Fi and the mobile data and then simply reopen your Costco application and see if the product images are now loading properly. Now, if the images are still blank, then you need to just simply open your Costco application. Then you need to tap on the option of other, which will be in the bottom right hand corner. Over here, you are going to see the option of reset app data. So you need to select that option and confirm it. So what this is going to do is it is going to clear the app's stored data and it can fix the loading problems without changing your Costco membership. You can also do the same by going to the settings of your device. So if you are using an Android device, simply just launch the settings. Then you just have to come inside app, then look for the option of app management. Afterwards, in the search bar, you just have to simply search for the Costco application. When you are able to find it, simply tap on it. Now over here, go to the storage option, then tap on the option of clear cache. If clear cache doesn't work for you, you can also tap on the option of clear data. Then you need to log in into your Costco account again. Now you can also check for the latest update on the Google Play Store or App Store for the application. If you find any of the latest updates, you need to basically update it. So you can try these easy fixes and see if the image loading is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.